Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazrina. So today I want to talk about breakfast is important meal of the day. So have you take your breakfast today? No, right? Do you heard that the quotes tell us about eating breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper? It means that eating less frequently without snacking, eating breakfast with the largest meal may be effective method to prevent overweight. So what is breakfast? The phrase of breakfast comes from the word break and fast, commonly refer to the first meal after 8 to 10 hours gap after overnight sleep. So mostly people always skipping their meal, especially young adults. So they are due to lack of time, loss of appetite, and inability to cook. Nutritionists advise that taking breakfast we should within 2 hours waking before starting daily activities. Most people always skipping their meal, especially young adults, due to lack of time, loss of appetite, and inability to cook. Nutritionists advise that breakfast should be eaten within 2 hours waking before starting daily activities. So there are several reasons why breakfast is the important meal of the day, because it is the first meal that provides energy, and it also gives our brain fuel to improve concentration throughout of the day, and it is better for our health in a long term. Firstly, breakfast is important meal of the day because it provides energy to our body. Healthy breakfast follow food pyramid, which include high amount of carbohydrate, protein, fruit and fiber, also small amount of fat. The body's energy source is glucose. Glucose will break down and absorb into our body when we consuming food. During fasting or not eating, such as overnight sleep, liver will break down glycogen and release glucose to keep blood sugar level stable. So we can do daily activities such as working, study, cooking, and others. By consuming breakfast, it will boost energy level and restore glycogen level to keep our metabolism up for a whole day. Apart of providing us energy, breakfast also gives fuel to our brain to improve concentration throughout of the day. The glucose level usually low when we waking up from overnight sleep. Breakfast will help to replenish it by increasing the glucose level. Some studies have shown that eating breakfast can improve memory and concentration level, also make us happier as it can improve mood and lower stress level. Children and adolescents who regularly eat breakfast tend to perform better academically compared with those who skip breakfast. They also feel greater level of connectedness with teachers and other adults of their school, which lead to further positive health and academic outcome. So it is proof that consuming breakfast will help to make our brain work efficiently. The last reason why breakfast is an important meal of the day because it is better for good health in the long term. Some studies shown that eating breakfast will reduce the risk of obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes. When we skip morning meal, it tend to eat more on lunch with high calorie of food. Excessive intake of calories lead to weight gain, especially those who are physically inactive. So, excess calories are stored in the body as fat, and continuously taking food with high calorie and low in nutrition can lead to obesity, which then can be risk factor for many health conditions. So, breakfast will provide total nutrient intake for whole day, thus prevent a health problem. In conclusion, breakfast is the important meal of the day and for good reason. So breakfast will help to replenish and supply a glucose level to boost our energy level, also provide essential nutrients required for our health. Many studies shown that health benefit of eating breakfast, which improve energy level and ability to concentration in the short term, also to prevent health problems. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.